Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the third video in the series Mad About Python. And if you're new to this channel and you're seeing this video for the first time, you can go ahead and click the two links in my description to watch the first two videos and the setup video in the VS Code. Great, and in this video we are going to learn the grid mechanism or the grid system used in TKinter. So I'll go from TKinter, import everything, and you just give your widget name TK. You go to your title, root.title, my GUI app. Then you go root.icon bitmap, and this time we'll use a new icon. We'll just go to our directory, the VS Code directory. I'm going to use this Jedi Star. I love Star Wars. I'll just use the Star Wars icon here. We'll go to this, just type star.ico. That's easy. You can use the star icon. And the next thing is you want to give the dimension. So you'll go root.geometry, just give it 500 into 500. So this is your size. And we'll go ahead and create a label. My label. And the keyword label inside the root directory, text. I want my new GUI app. Then we'll go ahead and create another label, label 2. Use the keyword label. Inside the root, give some text. This is line 2. We are not going to use something like my label.pack this time. No, we are not going to do that. Instead of that, I told you we are using a grid system. So you go and type grid. A grid is an inbuilt function in TKinter. You go grid, and grid takes multiple attributes. You can specify the row you want. I'll go ahead and specify row 0. Then you can specify the column you want. Column I want 1. Same way I'll go for my label 2 dot grid, and I specify the row 0, column 2. And we'll just end this program, root dot main loop, and we'll go ahead and run this. There you go, guys. You can see the first thing on row 0, the second thing also on row 0, but column 1 and column 2. This is your column 1, this is your column 2. As I've told you before, TKinter is basically Python, guys. You can do whatever the functions you use in Python in TKinter also. You can just go ahead and put this thing like here and this thing here, and it will still work, guys. Just to change this, I'll just go ahead and change the column to 0 and show you guys. It will run without any errors. And there you go. You can see row 0, row 0, column 0, column 0, row 2 and column 0. You can do this, guys, but I like cleaner code. So it's better if you follow this convention. It makes the readability of the code better. You have your labels one side and you just pack or use the grid attribute to sort of put that thing on the root widget. It's a great convention if you follow this. So that was all for this video. I hope you understood how the gridding and the positioning of text or labels work on your widget. In the next video, we'll be seeing something interesting like adding a entry box. I hope you have seen somewhere like this things like on your HTML or JavaScript things, like you have your text box where you can enter your name, phone numbers, email, and you just click enter and boom, that data goes somewhere. So we'll see how you built a text entry box and how you keep values in that. Also, I'll tell you how to build a button also, like an enter button or a click button. So that will be really interesting. Stay tuned, guys. Next video dropping tomorrow. So that was it. Thank you. See you in the next one.